Is your 2018 Nissan Altima key fob not working? First, the most common culprit is a dead battery. The intelligent key uses a CR2032 battery. Replace it and test. If that doesn't work, the key fob may need a reset. Try cycling the ignition to the on position without starting the engine for 10 to 15 seconds. Then simultaneously press the lock and unlock buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. This resynchronizes the fob with the car's computer. Other potential issues include corrosion on the battery contacts. Clean them carefully. Or interference from nearby electronic devices. Use a multimeter to test the battery voltage. It should be above 2.7 volts. If battery replacement and resetting don't resolve the problem, the body control module, BCM, might be faulty. This requires professional diagnostics, typically at a Nissan dealership. They can use Nissan Connect or specialized OBD2 scanners to check for error codes like B2607, indicating a key mismatch. Dealerships can also reprogram the module. Consider Nissan's enhanced diagnostic tools available through their app for remote diagnostics. Specialized OBD2 scanners are used to check for error codes like B2607, indicating a key mismatch. Replacing the BCM can cost around $400. To prevent future issues, replace the key fob battery every 1 to 2 years. In extreme cases, like a system-wide failure, and if the above doesn't resolve it, contact Nissan support.